Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get MBTI custom in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this new little update in Heartopia, we'll be able to take MBTI test to reveal our soul. You can go to the event menu to take the quest. Okay, it's like the shape of you and you're going to answer 16 questions about MBTI. And once you complete the question, you will get your result. And let me show you mine. Okay, I got INTJ. And this is the custom for INTJ, guys. Once you know your type, you can go to the Dorothy store to buy your custom. I'm going to return. Okay, go to the Dorothy store at the Central Square, and the custom will be different for every day. And now the custom which is available is the custom for, I think this is for ISFJ. Okay, and then you can buy the set. Okay, this one as well. This is for ESFP or ISTP. I don't know. I don't really remember. As soon as you see your costume from the Dorothy store, you can immediately buy it. Unfortunately, my costume is not available for now, so I need to wait until my costume appear right here so I can buy it. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the MBTI custom in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!